Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Sony Xperia VII will be released earlier than expected. Sony reveals the presentation date. The latest reported smartphone characteristics are also leaked here. According to the latest available data, will the Sony Xperia VII continue to look familiar, but with upgraded display and cameras? To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Xperia VII smartphone will be released earlier than insiders expected. Sony has officially confirmed the presentation date of the new flagship. The device will be presented on May 13th, 2 days earlier than reported in previous leaks. Despite the almost unchanged design, the smartphone promises serious hardware updates, including increased battery life. According to GSM Arena, the Xperia VII will be virtually identical in appearance to the previous model. However, the new product will be slightly shorter, wider, and thicker, while retaining the same screen diagonal of 6.5 inches. The smartphone is expected to receive a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 12 GB of RAM. The device will immediately run Android 15. At the same time, as sources note, the smartphone will go on sale in Japan on the day of the announcement, while it may enter the international market only in July. It is not yet known whether this information will be confirmed, but previous leaks about the presentation date have already proven inaccurate. The Xperia VII is expected to retain the series' key features, including a high-quality OLED display and advanced image processing technologies. Details about camera or software improvements have not yet been disclosed, but Sony is traditionally expected to deliver high quality in mobile photography and multimedia. The Xperia line has long proven itself in this regard. The new model is likely to be no exception. Enabling the flagship to keep its lights on is a battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh. Charging is said to be set at just 30 watts via USB-C. The phone is also expected to ship with Android 15 out of the box, with Sony's Xperia UI on top. However, the Xperia VII is expected to rock Sony's new XMOR-T sensor technology on all three of its camera modules, which is most likely to consist of the 48-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and the 12-megapixel periscope telephoto unit that packs a 7,200mm focal range. The event will start on May 13th at 11 JST and will be broadcast on the manufacturer's official YouTube channel. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.